Let's learn how to check my Facebook login devices. If you've ever wanted to check which devices you're logged into your Facebook account but didn't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you won't have this problem. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app on your phone or computer. When you've opened Facebook, you need to make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once Facebook is open, you'll be on the home page, but you don't need to stay there. You need to click on the menu option located in the bottom right corner. When you click on that, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to click on the Settings and Privacy option, which will reveal 5 more options when clicked. From those 5 options, you need to click on the first one, which is Settings. When you click on Settings, a page with many options will open. And among all those options, you need to click on the top option. That option is Account Center, and when you click on it, you'll have several options to choose from. There, you need to select the Password and Security option, which will open a page with several options. On that page, you need to click on the Where You're Logged In option. When you click on that, a page will open where you can choose for which profile you want to see the logged-in devices. When you click on the profile you want, a page will open showing a list of devices you're logged into that profile from. And that's how you successfully see which devices you're logged into. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.